Hello everyone. Today I will talk about a day trip in Union City. Next week I will pick up my friend. Uh, we are going to spend one day in Union. We starting today with local food like bánh xèo and bánh canh chả cá. Our first stop at Hang Mật Tử Hill. We can enjoy the big view and uh, reach the famous Palm Cove in the distance. Next, we will visit El York. It's going to a beautiful beach. Uh, we are going to take a lot of photo there. Afterward, uh, we are having lunch at a seafood restaurant. I think my friend enjoy the food. In the afternoon, we have planning to swim at Hong Kong. Uh, mm, we ca- uh, we can go snorkeling and see beautiful coral. In the evening, we are having dinner at a restaurant uh, beside the beach. Uh, we will back the city center. Uh, we are going uh, to the Square Center, the drink local food, and walk along beach. Finally, my friend uh, will take the train to back Ho Chi Minh City. Uh, I think my friend have a great uh, day in my hometown.